अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं यूनिक नॉलेज स्टेशन। और जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि हम हेडमास्टर, हेडमिस्ट्रेस, एसएस, लेक्चरर के टेस्ट के लिए जनरल नॉलेज की वीडियोस आपको फ़राहम कर रहे हैं। और आपके ताउन से हमारा ये यूट्यूब चैनल चल रहा है। तो इस सिलसिले की आज वर्ल्ड जनरल नॉलेज की सीरीज़ की फोर्थ वीडियो है। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आपके लिए।
Miscellaneous. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Miscellaneous of world information. Jesus Christ was crucified in 29 AD. Buddhist temples in Burma called pagoda. Other name of Gautama Buddha, the light of Asia. Place of worship of Sikhs. Gurudwara. Place of worship of Parsis, the fire temple. Jesus Christ was born in the year 4 BC. Head of Roman Catholic Church, the Pope. Original name of Gautama Buddha, Siddhartha. Somnath temple is located in city, Gujarat, India. Countries in Commonwealth 52. Highest mountain range Himalayas. Highest official publication of France called Yellow Book. Official publication of Netherlands called Orange Book. Christopher Columbus was an Italian navigator. National emblem of Pakistan, crescent. Lowest point on earth. Coastal area of Dead Sea. Eiffel Tower, France was built by Alexander Eiffel. The Red Cross was founded by Jean Henry Durant. National flower of Britain, rose. Country famous for samba dance, Brazil. Paradise Regained was written, John Milton. Famous painting of Picasso, Geormica. Mother-in-law of Europe, Denmark. Country of copper is called Zambia. Playground of Europe, Switzerland. City of canals, Venice. Sugar bowl of the world, Cuba. Land of rising sun, Japan. Land of midnight sun, Norway. Land of white elephant, Thailand. Land of morning calm, Korea. Land of thunderbolts, Bhutan. Land of cakes, Scotland. Land of golden fleece, Australia. Land of grapes, India. Roof of the world, Tibet. City of skyscrapers, New York. Island of globes, Madagascar. Garden of England, Kent. City of dreaming spires, Oxford. Peel of Orient, Singapore. Sculptor of the Statue of Liberty was Frederick August Bartholdi. Julius Caesar was killed by Brutus. Modern martial art, Judo. Egypt is located in continent Africa. Largest city of continent Africa, Cairo, Egypt. Only ape that stand and walk upright, gibbon. Male ant is called drone. Mosquito spreads malaria, female Anopheles mosquito. Boundary between Russia and Poland called Curzon line. Time taken by sunlight to reach earth, about 8 minutes. Basic source of energy on earth, sun. Gas used in common bulb, neon. Plant grown in water, hydrophytes. Greenland belong to Denmark. Earth belongs to galaxy, the Milky Way. Study of evil spirits and demons, demonology. Phrase well begun is half done belongs. Horace Mann. Julie was named after Emperor Julius Caesar. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Mother Teresa born in Yugoslavia 1910. Mother Teresa worked in India for poor, disabled and needy. Akbar's famous poet and scholar Abul Fazl. Akbarnama and Ane-Akbari written by Abul Fazl, who is called Frontier Gandhi. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar awarded by India Peace Award and Bharat Ratna. Mughal emperor who found Deen-e-Ilahi Akbar 1556 till 1605. Parrot of India Amir Khusro, who laid the foundation of Urdu poetry. Amir Khusro, pupil of Plato and teacher of Alexander Great. Aristotle, Indian emperor famous for uprightness. Ashoka, father of modern Italy. G. Garibaldi, father of modern Germany. Bismarck, father of aeronautics. Sir George Cayley, father of Alexander, founder of Microsoft Corporation. Bill Gates, USA, founder of Mughal Empire. Babur, 1483 till 1530, founder of philosophy of pessimism. Gautama Buddha, founder of Arya Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati, 1875, founder of laws of electromagnetism. Michael Faraday, founder of Buddhism. Gautama Buddha, 623 till 543 BC, founder of Christianity. Jesus Christ, founder of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Dev, who was Julius Caesar, 102 till 44 BC. Roman general, statesman, poet, whose Winston Churchill 1877 till 1965, PM of England. Nicholas Copernicus was a Polish astronomer. Nicholas Copernicus presented theory, solar system theory, who founded British Empire in India. Lord Clive, who defeated Sirajud-Dowlah, 1757. Lord Clive Plassey battle. Court poet of Sultan Mahmud Ghazni, Firdausi, who wrote Persian history Shah Nama. Firdausi, who led Satyagraha movement. M.K. Gandhi, who was Harsha Vardhana, Hindu king of India, 606-647. Fascist movement founder in Germany, Adolf Hitler. National Socialism founder in Germany, Adolf Hitler. President of Vietnam in Vietnam in WW2, Ho Chi Minh. Epic figure in Sanskrit literature, Kalidasa. Leader of Russian Revolution, Lenin, 1917. Organize Red Guard for Cultural Revolution, Mao Tse Tung, 1893 till 1976. First Chairman, China Government, Mao Tse Tung. Communism is based on teaching of Karl Marx, German philosopher. Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital, written by Karl Marx. Who was Marco Polo? Famous Venetian traveler. French general defeated in Waterloo. Napoleon 1815. Who was William Shakespeare? Great poet and dramatist of England. Famous plays of Shakespeare: Julius Caesar, Romeo Juliet, Hamlet, Merchant of Venice, Antony and Cleopatra. Who was Bernard Shaw? 1856 till 1950. Great Irish dramatist, writer. Famous plays of Bernard Shaw: Pleasant and Unpleasant, Man and Superman. Who was teacher of Plato? Socrates. 463 till 399 before BC, before Christianity. Socrates was sentenced to death due to corrupting the young. Russian leader after Lenin, Stalin. Shankaracharya, born 788 AD, religious teacher, Hinduism. Mughal emperor built Taj Mahal, Agra. Shah Jahan 1628 till 1658. Taj Mahal was built in memory of wife Mumtaz Begum. Who built Lal Killa and Jamia Masjid, Delhi? Shah Jahan. Who was Rabindranath Tagore? Famous Indian poet, educationist. Famous Navratans in Akbar court: Tansai. Tansai was exponent of Indian classical music. Who was Marshal Tito, leader of Yugoslavia? Who was Vasco da Gama, sailor of Portugal? Who was Martin Luther King, US Negro civil rights leader? Atom bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Little boy, uranium 6/8 1945. Atom bomb dropped on Nagasaki. Fat man, plutonium 9/8 1945. Interpol, International Police. Who lives in Birmingham Palace, London? Queen Elizabeth II. World population March 2016 7.4 billion. Number of births in world every day 3,78,000. Number of deaths in world every day 1,62,000. Number of people living in extreme poverty 1.4 billion. Number of people lacking clean water 1.1 billion. Average world life expectancy 70.8 years female and /66.4 female. Annual world population increase 79.33 million. Fertility rate 2.5 births per woman. Urban population 50.5% of total population. तो आज का हमारा ये टॉपिक कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म होता है, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
दोस्तों, वर्ल्ड जनरल नॉलेज इंफॉर्मेशन आपने सुनी और इसके साथ हमारा वर्ल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन फ़िलहाल यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होता है। तो इंशाल्लाह न्यू कंटेंट के साथ हम फिर इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं। आपकी सपोर्ट हमें रिक्वायर्ड रहेगी हमेशा। हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और हमें सपोर्ट करें। इंशाल्लाह हम इसी तरह काम करते रहेंगे आपके जो टेस्ट वगैरह हैं उनके लिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए। तो अल्लाह ताला आपको कामयाब फरमाए। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।